Hello everybody, it's Shaz. Welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So today we're going to be making some chocolate covered strawberries with a simple drizzle. Let's get into it. I'm starting off by grabbing some toothpicks. We're going to go ahead and stick the toothpicks in the back of the strawberry. It just helps to be able to grip them better for dipping. I have my chocolate melted already. I'm letting it cool off while I put the toothpicks in the back because you do not want to dip your strawberries in some very hot chocolate. And these strawberries are already washed. I will link a video below on how I clean my strawberries. For the bigger strawberries, I do use 2 toothpicks because it gives it more stability to be able to dip into the chocolate. Okay, so after all the strawberries have toothpicks in the back of them, I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that all of my berries are absolutely dry, including the stems or the leaves that's on them. Okay, so just checking my chocolate to make sure it's still smooth for dipping. Grabbing a strawberry, making sure the stem is pulled back, using the toothpick to dip it into the chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and shake the excess chocolate off. Then go ahead and just sit it down on the bottom. We're going to repeat the steps by making sure the leaves are pulled all the way back and using the toothpick to dip it into the chocolate and shake off the excess chocolate here. And then placing it on the bottom. And if you don't want flat bottom chocolate covered strawberries, you can use a styrofoam block. Just turn the toothpicks upside down and stick the strawberries into the styrofoam block by the toothpick. Okay, so you can see the chocolate drying pretty quick. I am using the chocolate that just showed up on the screen. And of course, you don't have to use this particular chocolate. You can use candy melts, you can use almond bark, whatever you choose or whatever you like. Okay, so now that we're done dipping the strawberries into the chocolate, I'm going to go ahead and move them all to the side just to make room for my jar of chocolate here. I do have a bag because I store all of my chocolate in Ziploc bags. So I already have this bag of chocolate that I re-melted in the microwave. And I'm going to take my strawberries and put them over the jar and just drizzle the chocolate over. Always practice in the jar first, that way you don't lose chocolate. Okay, so my chocolate is running out here. So I'm going to squeeze out as much as I can, and then I'm going to go ahead and get another cup to put some more chocolate inside of this handy dandy Ziploc bag. I'm just folding the bag over the cup, and I'm going to pour chocolate here from my jar. Okay, and right back to it, you guys. I did speed this part up, so let me slow it down a little bit. And the thing about drizzle, you guys, if you mess up like I just did with that one, you can kind of fix it by just adding more lines to it. Sometimes I would just redip it, especially when it's wet like that. I would redip it, but I'm just going to add some more lines to it. And here we go. I did put them in some cupcake liners and place them all in this box here. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. You guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share this video with a friend or a fellow or new treat maker. See you next time.